Well, good evening, everyone. My name is Raul Bittencourt, and I'm representing the venture Seazyme, which is competing on this BGI 6th edition. The sea is enriched with an infinite variety of molecules, biomolecules, whose properties and performance are now widely recognized and is steeped in naturalness and imagination. And the cosmetic industry has noticed that as they have progressively turned to the seas and the oceans in the search for new raw materials for the development of new products to be used in their cosmetic products. While the industry is too willing to ride this wave of marine cosmetics, they do face a problem, though. Where and how they will get their raw material. And it's not a question of getting their supply right. It's also a question of, or a problem of, getting a raw material that is sufficiently diverse so they can find their new ingredients, their new components to be for the development of their new innovative cosmetic products. So Seazyme has addressed this problem as a business opportunity, taking advantage of the unique marine environments that are found in the Azores and the microbial life that is thriving at such environments, which represents an enormous potential yet to be exploited, and also driven by an increasing demand by the market for more and more naturally based ingredients in the cosmetic industry. So I'll move a little back. Moving a little one slide forward. So this is the solution that Seazyme has come up with in very schematic terms. So we basically collect, we go out in the sea, we collect bacteria from all sorts of environments in the Azores, including the hydrothermal vents, the deep sea hydrothermal vents, and we prepare extracts from these bacteria, and we follow the extracts. We take them further into another kind of analysis processing, the cosmetic testing phase, where we want to provide, in addition to our extracts, a cosmetic testing to add more value to our extracts. So this is our value proposition in very simple terms. What we want is to develop, and it's already being developed and expanding, a proprietary bacteria collection, which has been tested for cosmetic value. And this is worth money. The market potential for this particular natural ingredients is quite appealing. It has been estimated in 2004 at $7.4 billion US dollars, and is projected to increase by 11.76 US billion dollars in 2023. And so there is something, there are different drivers which make this market appealing, and I would just point this one here, that is an increased awareness for natural ingredients in whatever products consumers want to use on themselves. So there's a growing awareness, and this has really made a big change in the market in nowadays. Our business model is also here schematically presented. We basically aim at licensing our extracts. So again, this is a proprietary marine bacterial extracts. and we want to license this to cosmetic companies directly or to other raw material suppliers that would want to produce more extracts from our bacteria and then sell that to other companies, for instance, pharma companies. Also, another aspect of our business model is to develop our own product development. When the time comes, when the money is sufficient, we also would like to have our in-house product development based on the results obtained from our cosmetic tests. Now, if you wonder about competitors, yes, there are many cosmetic ingredient suppliers, but none of them have used bacterial extracts as a supplement. Also, as far as we could ascertain or perceive, they haven't conducted cosmetic tests as we want to conduct with our extracts to add more value to their products. So they just sell products, algae extracts or protein extract from salmon eggs or chlorella cultures. So this is where we differentiate ourselves. Our team is composed by two colleagues, myself and Conceição Egas, who is sitting right there. We were the co-founders of this venture. We both come from academia. We have a strong background in molecular genetics and environmental microbiology, and we were happy to have Carlos Faro as an advisory board member. He's the scientific director of Biocan. And also, as a company associate partner, we have the cosmetic company, testing company on board on our venture. So we are seeking for an investment of 200,000 euros for funding preliminary operations such as bioprospecting activities and extract preparations and cosmetic testing, market research and product development. This is really an early investment meant to support business until we can generate cash of our own. And this money will be mostly spent during the first year of operations. I would like to end this pitch with our vision, our company's vision, which is combining natural and the oceans and seas is an inspirational embracement, a source of innovation, matching what is possible with what is needed to create economic value or social good or both. Thank you.